Do you guys remember that compilation video I did?
Yes.
We're getting ready. Yay! It's blurry. Yay! It's still blurry. Yay! One more time. Yay! We just did an Instagram live on Kiara's account. We're gonna go to VidCon day 1 today, and we're probably just gonna like check out the expo. I'm still blurry. Are you kidding me? Outfit of the day. Bad angle. Forever 21. Urban outfit. Yeah. We're about to walk in. It's freezing. Look at this like couch thing. It's a cereal bowl, and we got really good cereal. We're waiting in line to get our faces put on coffee. Emma and I don't like coffee. I wonder if they make like our faces ugly.
You look beautiful in your coffee.
Bougie, yes. I just got two subscribers, Taylor and Caitlin, and I was so awkward.
She was so cute.
I was like,
Kiara vlogged one of them, I vlogged the other, so.
Insert footage. It was really awkward, but they were so sweet, and I was gonna be like, oh, can you be my vlog, but then I forgot.
It's okay, we'll do it next time.
Next time.
Well,
maybe.
now they're in your vlog because I filmed it.
Oh yeah, you're right. So they are. They were so cute and so nice, and I was so awkward.
I'm literally drinking my face. That's what's left in my face.
Emma and I hate coffee, and we had one sip, and we're like, ugh. Mom, I'm getting a tattoo. Ha ha ha. I've never had their lemonade.
Never had it?
I've never had anything, let's be real here. I'm so unexperienced in life. We're struggling finding places to eat for lunch.
I get extreme hangry. Oh, I'm sorry.
Who would pay $17 for a grilled cheese? Yeah, whale. We're in downtown Disney right now. It's super loud because the soccer game's playing. Who's winning?
Ooh, we don't know. It's right there.
What is this thing? We decided to go to Naples. You look cute, Emma. Kiara just wanted us to have like a mini photo shoot with our food. But I spilled it already. We're still at the restaurant. We finished eating a while ago, but now we're just posting pictures on Instagram. I'm really impressed with myself because I thought of everyone's caption.
She did. Shout out to Keegan for that.
And I think they're funny. And I'm not a funny person.
Yes, you are.
She hypes me up so much, but I know she's lying. She posted that one. Honey, I'm home.
I'll guess where we are.
Give you a hint. I'm never not here. You don't. You don't need it. You don't need it. You already own it. Swatchy swatch. Swatch it on your hand.
Yeah. Since we already used my
Oh my god, your nails are...
Okay, do you guys see my nails out of focus?
Don't look at mine.
Look at my nails. Oh, that's actually not that pretty. I'm disappointed. We're at the top. We're on a rooftop right now. It's probably really windy. You can probably barely hear me. She's gonna take some photos of us. I'm scared.
Okay, it's Keegan's turn for a photo shoot. Kiara is our professional photographer.
Keegan Acton, you better behave yourself.
Keegan.
I have this issue where I look like
Keegan!
Okay, fix my hair. Oh, my. Can I just?
What kind of music do you listen to? Hannah Montana?
I mean, yeah.
No.
I'm so
Take your location and
I know, I'm
focus
so
on communal. I don't want to call it.
Yes, Keegan!
I'm awkward. I'm so awkward.
She's being awkward.
Oh my god, this guy's so tall.
You know, why don't we do a nice little split right here?
Everyone on this side, good news for you is you're on my team. So yeah, that's pretty good for you.
But you guys are on my team, so...
Look at me being a photographer. Okay,
Guys, look at this. So we're super cute, right? Then all of a sudden, Keegan just walks away. My face. I feel bad for myself.
We're back in the hotel room again. This is like our millionth time in here today. Okay, we're editing the pictures we took on the rooftop. Yes. Like, I'm just an awkward person.
But that's how the cutest photos.
Emma is so good at posing. I want Emma to teach me.
my God.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, we are just too funny. It's fine. We were so weird.
So everyone's just showering. I'm just waiting for them to shower. And then we're gonna like just hang out and watch Netflix and then chill for the rest of the night. So, yeah, good night. I don't know. Not very interesting. Sorry. Okay, bye.